Virulent. Virulent is an adjective meaning extremely poisonous. Something that's easily spreading. A virulent disease is one that's easily spreading and making a lot of people sick. You should be careful of getting a virulent insect bite when you travel in Africa. Virulent. Extremely poisonous. Idealists are a dictator's most virulent opponents. Our next word is avarice. It's a noun and it means extreme greed. If you want more and more and you can't just get enough, if you want more and more money, more clothes, more anything, then your mind is full of avarice. Extreme greed. We are millionaires, but still our avarice is huge. The king has betrayed the people's honesty through avarice and dishonesty. Our next word is atrophy. Atrophy is a noun, a decrease in size caused by disuse. So to weaken from disuse. Muscle inactivity causes muscle atrophy. Smartphones are everywhere. As a consequence, our ability to communicate face-to-face is atrophying. Atrophy, to weaken from disuse. Decorum. Good manners, polite behavior. Decorum means polite behavior. So if your brother is asking you to leave his room by yelling at you, he is not showing decorum. Decorum comes from the Latin word decorus, which means proper or beauty. Sport players should demonstrate professionalism and decorum in game. Decorum, good manners. Pertinacity. It means stubbornness, sticking with something no matter what. His pertinacity in winning the game made him victorious. So Tiger Woods won the game because of his pertinacity. The wind was too strong, but they achieved to climb the top of the mountain because of their pertinacity. Pertinacity. Sticking with something no matter what.